Hello there, Tribe Gang. Well, what has Tribe made possible for me? Ay, caramba! What hasn't it made possible for me? First of all, I've been thinking about having my own business for the longest time, and I haven't been ready until now. A way to serve people to help them grow, help them come out of their shell. So this is what is made possible for me, is to actually have a business model that I can build upon that will eventually let me quit my day job, allow me to serve a whole lot more people, and for me to come out of my box, which is full of love. That's what I'm here to do. This is why Tribe means so much to me. I'm doing something I've never done before, and that is what it's all about.